Easy to install. No cutting, no splicing. This trailer wiring harness kit plugs into existing factory wiring on your vehicle and equips it with a standard, rear 4-pin trailer wiring connector for plugging in and towing a trailer. Standard connector. This plug-in 4-flat trailer wiring can be used to connect trailer tail lights, brake signal lights and turn signals. 4-way trailer light wiring is popular on a variety of trailers, adding versatile towing options for your vehicle. Vehicle specific. This aftermarket, vehicle trailer wiring harness is designed for select years of the Mazda CX-5. Reliable power. This 4-way trailer wiring harness is built with surface mount technology. This type of circuitry generates less heat, optimal light intensity and durable performance. Dust cover. To promote long-lasting use and weather resistance, this 4-pole trailer lighting wire harness comes with a rubber dust cover. It easily fits onto the 4-way flat connector when not in use, protecting it against the outdoor elements. If your vehicle is not equipped with wiring for towing a trailer, CURT custom wiring is the ideal solution. A custom wiring harness, also called a T-connector, is a simple, plug-and-play electrical device that plugs into your automotive electric system and provides a standard, universal trailer wiring connection. This is done using 2 or more vehicle-specific, OEM-compatible connectors to plug into the taillight assembly, eliminating the need for cutting, splicing and soldering during installation. Custom wiring harnesses are made vehicle-specific, and while they are not available for all vehicles, they do offer one of the fastest, easiest and most secure ways to wire a vehicle for towing. This particular plug-in harness provides a 4-way flat connector socket and is designed to be a custom wiring harness to fit certain years of the Mazda CX-5. To verify your vehicle compatibility, see application info. It comes with all necessary wiring components to establish a reliable trailer wiring connection, as well as a dust cover to keep the connector clean when not in use. You have a picture in mind of your next destination. Maybe it's the boat landing at your favorite fishing spot, maybe it's a campsite that overlooks one of nature's masterpieces, or maybe it's the next big job site. However, turning that picture into a reality takes more than just daydreaming. It takes a solid connection and the right amount of power. CURT custom wiring is made with some of the most sophisticated technology in the industry and is designed to install with ease, giving you a long-lasting electrical connection for your towing hitch setup. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install for a total newbie with no special tools. It took me a day. I have an infant, so everything takes me much longer than it should. But it works and I figured all of it out myself.